Hi, it's me, Rasheed, Ogunlaru, coach, speaker, and author. And today, in my Essential series, this short series, I want to talk a little bit about one of the very, very first things that I teach people in leadership, or that I remind people of in leadership, and that's what I call the Zoom lens. For me, once you're a leader, once it is that you're starting out in leadership, or perhaps you're stepping up in leadership, or that you're now in very, very senior leadership, this ability to have this zoom lens is really important. And the zoom lens works in two ways. First of all, you need to be able to zoom out and see the big picture. What's going on in your organization, in your industry? Why is it that you're there? What is it you're trying to achieve? What is it your customers are wanting, and so on? And you've got to be able to zoom out and have that, if you like, that telescopic lens of what's going on. That aerial view that you can see everything, that you've got that understanding of where everything fits, you, your team, your division, your organization, etc., and perhaps to see the terrain and what's going on. But then you also need to be able to zoom in on the detail, what's going on for you in your life, for this member of your team who might well be having very, very specific issues. You need to be able to zoom in on each individual part. So that you really are able to pay that attention to what it is that needs to be paid attention to. So first of all, we need to zoom out and to be very, very strategic, to be able to see the big picture and to be a very strategic, effective leader. Then we need to be able to zoom in so that we can be a very specific leader, and we can be a compassionate leader, we can be an inclusive leader, and we can pick up on the very specific things that we need to address for ourselves, for team members, for the organization, on a particular project, on a particular piece of work, on a particular day, in a particular moment when something arises. Take good care. Bye-bye.